Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. This evening, all I'm going to do is a little short video. I'm going to show you my beads that I use to make the jewelry. You know, I have a whole little collection here, and I'm going to bring this camera down so you can see what I have. Okay, turn that around. Alright, what I have here, well, you know, I have my trusty wire. I also have a different color wire that I use. I should have had it sitting out already. It's a bag of wires right here. Let me show you. Alright. I gotta bring out all the colors. Okay. So this, guys, is what I have. Oh, where's this? Here it is. I was actually looking for this. Right. Alright, right here. I have silver also. And this is gauge, this is 26 gauge, quarter pound. 113 grams. So this is pretty thin. You can see how thin that is. And then, so thin my hand makes it disappear. This is a little thicker. This gold wire is a little thicker. Or brass color. And this is 24 gauge, quarter pound, gold. Golden gold. Right? Alright, this is my collection. Oh, here's the rest of my wires. These wires I use basically for the jewelry. When I don't want to have beads, I have colored wire. This right here, this is floral wire. Actually, but I like it for the jewelry making. I also, like I said, I have colors. Dark pink, lighter pink. I have orange, gold, royal blue, and a turquoisey kind of blue, or red, yellow. I also have this, I don't know, it's like a brown color, brownish, coppery color. This is like a coral color right here, a coral pink. This is candy pink. But anyway, I like these beads here. They have a metallic gold with tan and white. Can't see it that nicely. The way I see it, the color looks crazy. Here, this whole collection right here, all of this right here. These are 6 packs. Got them from the Dollar Tree. They don't even have these glass beads anymore. They have the ones that are big like this. I have this one. I'm like, nah, not too swift on this. They're too big for what I need them for. And yeah, so I'm glad I got these when I did, because I can still make plenty more pieces of jewelry for my statuettes. Okay. I also have a tray full over here of accessories and beads. I have some pearls, nice size pearls, gold beads, glass beads, and here's some more. These are small, really small red ones. I have a piece of jewelry over here. Let me bring this up a little bit so I can see what this is looking like. There we go. A couple more little pieces are in here. I have trim that can go around the bottom of something. I was using these for my mosaic glass candle holders, and I was putting this trim around the base of the candle holders, and it really made it cute. Made it really nice and gave it an elegant look. So now I'm using these for the statuettes. Here they are. This right here is the same as this. I just didn't add it in. I'm not use this to refill whenever I use these up. Then I have this container full of beads, more colors, more solid colors like solid white, solid red, more solid pink. This is blue, green, gold, brown. And these are small, like tubes. Gold. Yep. Some green ones up here. Green, gold rods. I guess they're like rods. You can see them better in this green pack. That's what this is. Let's see. We'll bring it closer. Don't pay my nails no mind. They're a little ratchety. I'll get to them. And I believe I showed you this in the one of the last videos. Some necklaces that are already made up. I like to make some just in case pieces. You know, just a couple more. And some more jewelry pieces. This one here. Costume jewelry. And this. Something like this. I would put this on one of the dresses. Or something. Or a nice slick blouse. This piece here. And some more beads. This is an earring that I bought at a festival one year. The earring, I lost one, so I'm going to use this on my dolls. This right here, I'll probably put this in one of their hair. And some more jewelry pieces, earrings. I think I showed you these before. Not unless that was a video that I scrapped, because I did scrap a couple of videos that I didn't even bother to put up. And I already showed you this one. Put these out of the way. And this last one has accessories that are already put together. I have a hat here that went on one of the statuettes. The outfit didn't, I don't know, the outfit just didn't gel to me after I put it together. So, I didn't waste the material, but, because it was a whole outfit, and this is just the hat to that outfit. Let me see if this will fit on one of these. Well, that's a little big, because this doll is smaller than the one that this hat was meant for. Oh, here we go. Here's a bigger. Ooh, now this is a really tall one. And it goes on like that. Yeah. Oops. Alright, in here I also have a crown. Eventually, I'll be using this. I don't know for what, but like I said, these are just in case pieces. This one, and here's another crown that I could still embellish, you know, but that's it. It's little stuff like this. This right here is something that I want to do. This right here is going to be a necklace for one of the dolls. Straighten that out there. Let me see how it would go. It would go something like this. Hold on. Like this. It's not on good, but you get the idea. And that'll go on like that. Then of course I'll shape it up and make it lay down or whatever. This is a just in case piece. And here's another just in case piece. I will straighten it out as I go along. But this is another just in case piece that would go around the neck. And I thought about making it to go down the back like a cape. You know? I don't know, but we'll see. I saw something similar to that on Pinterest, and it gave me an idea. I also have some pieces of already beaded up jewelry. This is what you get for Mardi Gras, something like that, and they've been broken apart, and I use them on the dolls again, like this, depending on how I'm fashioning the doll. This would be a piece of jewelry or earring, you know, it depends. Maybe even something for the hair, you know, I don't know. And that's what I have, pretty much. Those are my accessories, guys. So I try not to make this a long video, but I just wanted to do something for the night. Ooh, you can see my flashes. Ooh, well, guys, look at here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Leave a comment below, and hit that notification bell so that way when I upload a new video, you will get that notification. You can come back and check me out, see what I got going on, and I'll be glad to hear from you. Leave me a comment below. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Whew. Bye-bye.